What's good if you're new? Welcome back if you're old. Today we are doing the little things and I have my helper with me. She's super enthused, clearly, about taking off this sticker. Little does she know there's another sticker going right back on there. Anyways, we are removing this one, putting on a new one, and we have something special for the under tray of this car. Living out my Fast and Furious dream. Furry? Whatever you're into.
What are we talking about?
But living out my Fast and Furious dreams with this car, and that's what we're doing in this video. If you haven't seen from the thumbnail already, let's get into it.
JayStayCruisin.
Today we'll be working with the late great LOWGLOW Underglow system. We've got a nice windshield banner, some wiring, and your general essentials. They even give you a nice instruction pack with some stickers and gummies. How kind. Let's get to work. So as you saw, we have front, side, and rear lights, and for each light you have a connection. So we're gonna take each connection, except for this one in particular because it connects to the module. This needs to be towards the front. Wherever this goes, we need power to also go. So we have these two. We have the switch in here, the power connections, and I see a fuse in there as well. So this will all be towards the front. So we'll keep that connected to the front lights. These connections will go to the side and rear lights. And we're gonna basically do a full lap around the car with the connections, and then once I have that set up, I'll get back to you. Okay, so I have everything all rigged up with the wires. I'm going to test it with the battery real quick before I permanently stick it on this car. So we're gonna touch ground, touch power. It should be good all the way around. It's not going to be those colors. So we're good. Is it good up already?
Oh yeah, for sure.
So it's day 2. I took a little time to actually connect these on both sides. I think that looks way cooler. And then I extended it a little bit. I got a pack of 5 and a pack of 1. So I have a bunch of extras, but way better, way brighter. But I got the car jacked up. We're gonna finish putting on this LOWGLOW. Had a little bit of difficulty with the 3M sticky tape. I cleaned off the underside of my car everywhere, but it doesn't stick. So I've gotten some screws, self-drilling, and I got some little holders to connect to the RGBs. Should be enough, and if it's not enough, I also got some Gorilla super glue and some Gorilla double-sided tape. It says it holds up to 30 pounds, both indoor and outdoor. Should be weatherproof. If that fails, then I guess, but that's what we're doing. Let's get back under there. So underneath we have a few different points of connection under the car. So just in case anything goes wrong, we have the extra 3M tape, or not 3M, Gorilla tape. And if the Gorilla tape fails, we also have these screws. And if the screws fail, we also have super glue. So we're set on all sides, hopefully. So like I was saying before, we have the car super lifted up on all sides. Turns out these little guys, these little fasteners, be prepared to buy something like that to get these to actually stay under your car. I roughly did about 4 on each side, and they're holding pretty well. I have to get the rear set up. They have 2 different sets of rear lights. Everything is displayed on the diagram that they give you, that I have on this diagram right here. So you want everything to be pointing towards the back end of the car and all the little connection points. So we have to finish up the back, line up the front, and then wire in the harness to the cabin of the car. I'll get back to you when I'm done with that. And then we'll light it all up and see how it looks. So I've got the wires pretty much all mocked up inside of the front bumper. All of the ones that go around the radius of the car are already mounted. All I have to do is just sit the bumper up here so we can get an idea of what it's gonna look like. Granted, there is still so much work that needs to be done. I need to get this fitment figured out in the front and the back. We have the spacers for it, but I want to see this light up. I want to see kind of like my inner child dreams come true, you know? Let's see what it looks like. All right, y'all, that's gonna be a wrap for now. Obviously, we have so much more work to do. It's nice just to see this thing on the ground. Once again, I gotta have a moment. I swear I'm not gonna cry. I swear I'll never cry on any form of social media, but I have to go see my mom. She has cancer and it's not going so well. So I'm taking myself and my son up to Boston to go see her. She's been in the ER for almost 2 weeks now. I would have liked to have this car running before I go up there, but beggars can't be choosers and we don't get to choose when bad things happen. So wish me luck. As always, my name's Jay. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay cruising.